Okay guys, so we're gonna play Subway Surfers. And I'm going to Ibis Paint later. If I die, I don't know why. So let's go.
I'm the mouse.
Actually, my new 3 subscribers are now, I think. Thank you for 15 subscribers, guys.
Tipin ano pa?
So we made a video. So check out Papi_official 847 is her name in YouTube. So she is a YouTuber. So
Chan.
so I am in that
Stomach.
YouTube. So
Stomach.
please, one more subscribers. I just subscribed to him. I mean her.
Chan mong mabang.
Wee. Kumamatay, kumanawi. Ay, puta. Ba't umilit? Ay. So, if you know it, I'm a Tagalog boy. Sorry. You.
Guys, we are Tagalog din. If you're Tagalog, D-A-G-O mo.
Gaga. Sorry, don't. F is for fuck you. Guys, F is for fuck you ka. Ay, sorry. New update, guys. In Brookhaven. I don't know. Dito. Ah? Dali. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. That hurts, man. Flash. Thanks, Lord. Ah, fuck you. Sorry for the curse word. Sorry po. Ibis Paint.
strong, although you're not alone. Bobby. Wait to hit you. Ay? Baka yung papa ko nabaksak ko. Kaya scrap baby.
I cannot undo this, guys. Fuck. It's too hard, guys.
Gotcha hit me right. Panda.
Oh, frack. Frack. Oh wait, it's blurry. No. It turned dark. Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic crew. Oh fuck, I knew it. But I hope you find what you're looking for. Guys, I'm going to help my aunties. So, I'm going to end the video first. Bye! See you again later.